Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM in a Minute course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about actually and 3-axis toolpath. As you can see here, we try to create that kind of product by using actually SolidWorks. And after that, we can turn to the MasterCAM to create our G code. While we are creating G code, actually, we try to prefer and actually face toolpath like this one. And then I prefer to create contour toolpath. And then we create some drilling operation, center drilling operation, and pack drilling operation. And then we prefer to use the roughing process. And then we try to use the transform roughing process. And then we prefer to use the finish contour toolpath. And then transform finish contour toolpath. And then we prefer to use surface scallop toolpath. And of course, we also need to transform and this toolpath as well. To be able to handle that, I just need to use my toolpath, right mouse button, and the transform options. This toolpath is selected, rotate, and the rotate parameters must be like this.